Okay. So good evening, dear students. Welcome to Ganitagya Academy. Myself, Professor Hitesh. And let me start today's session. Today, I am going to tell you the method to find out square root using long division method. Okay. We are going to find out long division method. Okay. To find out the square root or square root. Okay. You can cover this topic in the class 8 NCRT exercise 6.4. 6.4 NCRT. Okay, check. So let me clear this. And the topic name is long division method for a square root. Okay. So square root by long division method. So in this we will opt for the few steps. So step number 1 is we have to find out the number for which we are finding out the square root. We will understand this step using the some question. So let me find out square root of 529. Okay. So this is unit place, this is 10th place, this is 100th place. Okay. So we will start, place a bar over the pair of numbers starting from the unit place or right hand side of the number. Okay. So in pair we will make a bar. So one bar. Okay. Then this is single. So this is second bar. Is it clear? Now we will make a table. We will make a table like this. Okay. So we will take the first number, which is first number 5. Okay. So we will write a number. We will choose a number. This is the first step. Place a bar over the pair of numbers starting from the unit place or right hand side of the number. Okay. So let me first clear this. This is step number 1. Write it down. Now we will go for the step number 2. So step number 2 is take the largest number as the divisor whose square root, whose square is less than or equal to the number on the extreme left. So which is number extreme left? This is 5. We have to take the number divisor whose square is less than or equal to 5. So 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 into 2, that will be 4. So we will take number 2. Okay. So here we will write 2. Here we will write 2. And here we will write 2 square, that is 4. Okay. The remainder 5 minus 4 will be 1. Okay. And here we will write 4 also. Here we write 4, which number we have written here. Okay. In the extreme left, that is third step. So take the largest number as the divisor whose square is less than or equal to the number on the extreme left of the number. This is clear. Okay. In next step, what is next step? Step 2 is clear. Now step 3. Step 3 is bring down the number which is under the bar to the right side of the remainder. Okay. So we will bring down 29. Okay. There is no doubt. Now we have to put number over here. We have to put number over here and number over here. Let us say we will put A. We will put A. So we have to multiply 4A by A. Then we have to put it here. This is step number 4. So first let me clear this. Till now there is no issue. So let me move to step number 4. Okay. So step number 4 is double the value of the quotient. That is, here we have quotient is 2. So double of 2 is 4. Okay. And enter it with blank space on the right side. Okay. We have written this. No issue. Step number 4 is also clear. Okay. Now step number 5. Step number 5 is select the largest digit for the unit place of the divisor such that the new number when multiplied by the new digit at unit place is equal to or less than the dividend. Chaliye, let me explain this. First, let me clear. Chaliye, let me recall these steps. Number one is we are finding out square root of 529. Step number one, we'll make a pair bar. Okay, then we will make a table. We will make a table. Okay, so in this table we will put 2. So 2 into 2, that will be 4. 1 2 9, here we will write 4. So we will multiply number here, let us say 2. If we will put 2, okay, if we will put 2, so we will multiply by 2, so it will come 84 here. Okay, but there will be some difference. We will try to minimize the difference. Then if I'll put 3 here, so 43 into 3, that will be 129. So I am getting remainder 0. So I will put 3 here. So we can say when remainder is 0, question is over. So we can say square root of 529 is 20. The last step is remainder must be 0. If remainder is 0, it is perfect square number. If it is 526, then remainder will be 3. So that time we will say this is not perfect square number. 526 is not a perfect square number. Quite easy. So we will use these 5 steps and we will find out square root of some numbers. Okay, write it down. Let me know when done. Okay, so let me clear. And the next we will solve. Let me move to NCERT exercise 6.4. Okay, then we will solve some questions. NCERT 6.4. Okay, so the first question, yes, exercise 6.4, and the question is find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Okay, so first question is 2304. Okay, so we have to find out square root of 2304. What is step number 1? In pair from the right hand side. This is the pair, no issue. Now the next is we have to choose a number whose square is less than 23. So it will be 4. Okay, because 4 square is 16, 5 square 25. So 5 square 25 is more than 23. So 4 square is 16. I will write 16 here. I will write 4 here, and I will double the 4. So I will write 8 here. So 23 minus 6, that will be 704. Now I will choose number over here such that multiplication. Okay, if I will choose, let us say 6. So 6, I have to multiply 86 into 6, and I will have to write it here. Okay, so 86 into 6 will not be satisfied here. So let me multiply by 8. 88 into 8. So what we will get? We will get 704 here. So remainder is 0, and I will put 8 here. Okay, so we can say square root of 2304 will be is equal to 48. Is the question number 1. Question number 1, square root of 2304. Next is, write it down. Okay, so the next question is 4489. So what we will do? We will write 4489. Step number 1, we will prepare the pairs. So 44 and 89. Now I will make the table. This is the table. Now in the next step, I will see 7 into 7, 49, which is more than 44. So before 7 it is 6. So I will take 6. 6, I will double the 6, I will put 12 here. Okay, and 6 square is 36. So what is remainder? 44. This will be 8, 9. Okay, so we have to put number over here, so that let us say 7. So how I am taking 7? See, 7 into 7 is 49. So last unit digit will be 9. So that's why I am choosing this number. So 7 into 7, 9. Then 4. You can multiply 127 into 7. So you will get 889. Okay. So you will get remainder will be 0. So you will let's say 7 over here. So you can say square root of 4489 will be is equal to 67. Okay, so second question is done. Now third question is square root of 3481. Okay, so what we will do, we will write 3481. From the right hand side we will make a bar for pair of numbers. Then okay, so first is 5 square 25, 6 square 36. So definitely we will take 5. We will put 5 here. 5 square is 25, and here we write double of 5, that is 10. Now 34 minus 5 will be 9, and then 81. Okay, so simple, we have to write 9 over here. See, because it is 81, so 109 into 9 will be 981. Remainder will be 0, so we will write 9 over here. So we can say square root of 3481 will be 59. So question number 3 is also completed. Likewise, we can solve other questions also. So that is your homework questions. One more question I will solve, that is 7921. Okay, let me clear this. Now other questions are homework question. In the next session we will solve it. 529, 3459, 1369. Okay, these are the homework questions. Let me write more. 6. Then seventh question is seventh question is 5776. 5776. Find the square root of this. Okay. The next is 7921. Then ninth is after 7921 576. Quite easy. Then 10th is 1024. That we know. 2 raised to 32 answer will come. Next is 11th. 11th is 3136. You know the method. And then last is 900. Okay, let me solve one more question. That is question number 8. 7921. So for 7921, I will make a bar like this. Then we will go for the C. For 7921, what we will take? 9 nines are 81. So 8 square we will go for. We will write 8 here, 8 here, 64 here, and 16 here. Double of 8. So 79 minus 64. So that will be 15. And then we will take 21 here. So we have to find out the number. See, either we will take 9 or we will take 1, because unit digit is 1. If you will take 1, we will get nothing. But if you will take 9, so 169 into 9 is 1521. You can find out. So remainder will be 0. We will put 9 over here. So we can say square root of 7921 will be 89. Okay. And with this method, you can solve other questions. So the next session I will solve other question also, but first you try at your end. Okay, if any doubt, please contact me on the number 900-419-4885. Okay, or you can download the app Gaditagya Academy from the Google Play Store. Okay, with this we will end our session today. Bye bye.